Cleansing has always felt like a chore.
This cleanser has totally changed that. Meet the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser.
The cleanser that works as hard as you do.
Packed with ceramides, pre and postbiotics, avocado oil, colloidal oatmeal, and gentle makeup removing ingredients.
Its true magic is how it keeps working even after I wash it off.
My skin instantly feels nourished immediately after I use it.
It's really helped strengthen my skin barrier.
Here's how I cleanse with the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. Step 1, double cleanse.
Dissolve makeup, dirt, and oil with the papaya sorbet enzyme cleansing balm, and follow with the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser.
A comprehensive barrier-boosting cleanser for all skin types.
It never strips my skin. It leaves my skin feeling really refreshed.
Step 2, toner. Hydrate skin and tighten pores with the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner.
Step 3, eye cream, which visibly hydrates, brightens, smooths, and depuffs the eye.
Step 4, use your favorite serum to treat all your skin concerns.
Step 5, moisturizer. Plump and balance with the Plum Hyaluronic Cream or hydrate and soothe with the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer.
For daytime use, protect, hydrate, and glow with the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. The Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser.
I am simply never letting this cleanser out of my hands.